get any excess that squeezes out along the sides, you just want to go in with some alcohol and brush it off before curing. Additionally, underneath the nails, you want to make sure you flatten that out before curing as well. There's no biggie if you do accidentally forget to do it, but it's just going to make your nails super choppy and super bulky, and then you'll have to do extra filing when you could just take care of it beforehand. So I'm just going to do the same process on all of my nails. So I'm just going to sit back and let you guys watch me apply these full nail covers. Alrighty, so I'm just going in with a lint-free wipe. These are purchased off of Shein, but you can get these off of Amazon as well. And I'm just dipping that in some alcohol and wiping down my nails before we begin filing. For my nail file, I'm going in with an 80/80 grit nail file purchased off of Amazon. I swear by 80/80 grit nail files. They just make the whole process of filing just like choop, super easy, super quick. These are soft gel nail covers that are already pre-shaped, so there's not too much filing that you need to do with these. I'm mainly just going in and making them super square, which is how I like my nails. So yeah, I definitely recommend giving these 80/80 grit nail files a try. As always, the link will be down below. After filing, I'm going to go in and dust off all of that debris. At this point, you could also wash your hands as well if you did the proper prep method before. I always forget to mention, you have to do prep when doing this. I don't show prep often in my videos, but you want to make sure you prep your natural nail beds beforehand. Alrighty, so I'm going in with this reflective glitter gel polish, and this is also purchased off of Amazon. And I don't know what shade this is called, but this is one of their silver glittery shades. It comes in like a pack of 6 different colors, and they have like different options for you to choose from. And I'll be sure to leave the one I chose down below in the description box. But all I'm doing is going in and putting on a little glob of that on this resin nail art palette, and then I'm also going to be doing the same thing with this white polish. You can use any white polish, but this one that I'm using today is by MAKARRT. And if you are interested in MAKARRT products, I do also have a discount code with them down below in my description. For my nail art brush, this is by Shein, but you can get nail art brushes literally anywhere, Sally's, Amazon, anywhere. Nothing special. I will say that this nail art brush The last and final step is cuticle oil. I'm going in with the scent Cherry Blossom today. These are available for purchase in my Etsy shop, and these are ultra hydrating, all natural cuticle oils made with all natural flowers. But yeah, all I'm doing is going in, applying those to my cuticles. You want to make sure that you invest in a really good hydrating cuticle oil. And here is the final design. Super cute, super simple, and super easy. This was a very beginner friendly nail tutorial, so I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, please don't forget to leave me a like, comment, and subscribe. I love you guys so much, and I hope everyone enjoyed their holiday season and had a wonderful new year. I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye.